Bonjour, Monaco. Monaco. Officially, the Principality of is a sovereign city-state and microstate on the French Riviera, a few kilometers west of the Italian region of Liguria in Western Europe. On the Mediterranean Sea, it is bordered by France to the north, east, and west. The Principality is home to 38,682 residents, of whom 9,486 are Monegasque nationals. It is widely recognized as one of the most expensive and wealthiest places in the world. The official language of the Principality is French, in addition. Monegasque, a variety of Ligurian, English, and Italian are spoken and understood by many residents, with an area of 2.02 square kilometers, 0.78 square miles. It is the second smallest sovereign state in the world, after Vatican City. It's 19,009 inhabitants per square kilometer, 49,230 square mi. Make it the most densely populated sovereign state in the world. Monaco has a land border of 5.47 kilometers, 3.40 miles, and the world's shortest coastline of approximately 3.83 kilometers to 0.38 miles. It has a width that varies between 1,700 and 349 meters, 5,577 and 1,145 ft. The highest point in the state is a narrow pathway, named Chemin des Revoirs, on the slopes of Mont Agel, in the Les Revoirs ward, which is 161 meters, 528 feet above sea level. The Principality is about 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles from the border with Italy. Key members of the judiciary in Monaco are detached French magistrates. The House of Grimaldi has ruled Monaco with brief interruptions. Since 1297, the state's sovereignty was officially recognized by the Franco-Monegasque Treaty of 1861, with Monaco becoming a full United Nations voting member in 1993. Despite Monaco's independence and separate foreign policy, its defense is the responsibility of France, besides maintenance of two small military units. Monaco's economic development was spurred in the late 19th century, with the opening of the state's first casino, the Monte Carlo Casino, and a railway connection to Paris. Since then, Monaco's mild climate, scenery, and gambling facilities have contributed to the Principality's status as a tourist destination and recreation center for the rich. Have you ever wondered why Monaco is one of the richest countries in the world? Well, there are a few key factors that contribute to its wealth. Firstly, Monaco is a tax haven, meaning that residents and businesses enjoy very low tax rates. This has attracted wealthy individuals and companies from around the world to set up shop in the tiny Principality. Secondly, Monaco is known for its luxury tourism industry, with its beautiful Mediterranean coastline and glamorous casinos attracting high-spending visitors. Furthermore, Monaco is a hub for the wealthy elite, with a plethora of high-end real estate, luxury boutiques, and upscale restaurants catering to their every need. The Principality also benefits from a stable government and political system, which has helped to create a business-friendly environment that encourages investment and economic growth. In addition, Monaco has a highly educated workforce and a strong focus on innovation and technology, which has helped to drive its economy forward. So, it's no wonder that Monaco has become synonymous with wealth and luxury. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on interesting topics like this. Merci.